Guys, before we start, please make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make when checking fuses, relays that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the trunk tailgate actuator, guys, on Volkswagen Tiguan first generation. If your trunk does not work correctly, guys, please do not waste any money on parts tools diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, we'll talk about that, and after that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll guys share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays, all that stuff. Now, guys, that generation Volkswagen Tiguan will have many hidden fuses. Fuse boxes, different fuses, mega fuses, relays that are not accessible. That's why, guys, we made one special video that's called Volkswagen Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Check it out, it will be on our website. Now, guys, we will be making video about every single fuse, every single relay in that car. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located. All you have to do, come to the channel, watch for a minute or two, replace the fuse, you're back on the road. Our mission is to save you money, guys. That's why we made more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, check out, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, guys, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. So today multiple fuses will need to be checked for the trunk, also known as the tailgate switch actuator. Stay with us, guys, we'll talk about that. We'll be working in different fuse boxes here. When we guys open the hood here on the driver's side, if you open that cover, facing the engine on the right side, the driver's side is the main engine fuse box that most people know about. But guys, to our big surprise, we actually need to go inside, guys. You wonder where? Well, when you open the door on the left side underneath the steering wheel, here you have a hidden fuse box. We have a special video that's called VW Tiguan Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it will teach you about all your hidden fuses, relays video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now, before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, now let's talk about common mistakes people make. When people see a fuse, let's say they pull a fuse and they try to check it out, they look at that fuse, and they assume, it's good, it's bad, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell if a fuse is good or bad. And you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, you start wasting money on parts, tools, diagnostics, module, and you go to repair shops for something that could have been quite easy fixed, such as a bad fuse. So always test your fuses, quite easy, guys. By the way, if you want to see, we have a special video on the channel how to test a fuse, but it's quite simple and often you can actually even test fuses without removing them to figure out, guys, if these fuses are good or bad. For instance, mega fuses, there is no way that you can check if the fuse is good or bad. The only way is to test them, guys, to find out if these fuses are good or bad as well. Very important. Now, if you want to see how to test a fuse, detailed video how to test a relay, we have special videos about that, and we'll share the information in the description of the video below. And here, guys, we need to check multiple fuses starting here. You see that little fuse box of little fuses there. Fuse numbers for the little fuses will be underneath the fuses, for the big fuses will be on top of the fuses. So in this row here, we need to start and we need to check first fuse number 21. So starting here, that's fuse number 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. This 10 amp fuse right here will need to be checked, that 10 amp fuse. Then you guys need to check, fuse number 24, another 10 amp fuse. And you need to check, guys, fuse number 46 and 47. So that's 46, 47. Very important fuses too. If you still have problems with that, guys, the relays, by the way, there is very limited information about relays. You have some relays here as well, some hidden relays behind the dash. Super hard to see. I mean, I wish I could show you. Right there. in the back there is relays, guys, many hidden relays, but we have a special video about Volkswagen Tiguan relay location and diagram. Check the relays in the back. Some models may have more relays here on the top as well. And if you still have problems, we'll recommend to check the BCM fuses, body control module fuses relays, because they control that function, but the fuses that we showed are the main fuses we need to check today. As you saw, guys, okay, this Volkswagen Tiguan has all kind of different fuses, mega fuses, standard fuses, mini fuses inside the car. You have different relays, mega fuse packs, all that stuff. If you want to see where you can buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. Our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, guys, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. We'll have video about every single fuse relay in that car. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.